I seriously waste so much time logging into 3 different systems to export this data every month, just to then combine it in a big spreadsheet. Seems like there has to be a better way to automate this so I don't have to waste time doing this every month.
Did you know Power BI can help with that? Power BI can combine multiple data sources into a single data set.
I am sick of having to log into this report just to see the status of a single number every day. Wish I could just have what I want to see emailed to me every day.
Did you know Power BI can help with that? Power BI lets you subscribe to your favorite dashboards and reports so that they're emailed to you every day.
Seriously, it's end of month again? I'm so tired of waiting for sales managers to get their numbers to me. Every time a manager turns their numbers in, I have to go in and update the spreadsheet and redo everything based on what they give me. I have better things to do with my time.
Did you know Power BI can help with that? Combining Power BI's automatic refresh with Microsoft's OneDrive for Business file storage allows users to update a single file and allows your Power BI report to refresh automatically.
My schedule is jam-packed. I don't have time to be constantly monitoring the performance of my entire sales team. I wish I could be alerted automatically whenever the team is doing poorly.
Did you know Power BI can help with that? Power BI dashboard tile alerts allow you to set thresholds and be alerted whenever one is met. Combine that with Microsoft's Flow to allow for even more automation.